My name is Ross Evans. I'm a litigation attorney. I practice in premises liability, so that is slip and falls or injuries in commercial buildings or properties that are owned or managed by different corporations or individuals. We are unique that we practice throughout the state of Florida, but I'm centrally located in Jacksonville, Florida. I became interested in doing personal injury, specifically premises liability, because I love having a challenge in the case. I love having to find liability. Premises liability cases are always heavily contentious. A lot of people believe that simply because you get injured on somebody's property that you're liable. That's not the case. The law's not in our favor. And so having an attorney that knows how to show how a landowner or a business should have known that something was a dangerous condition or how they created that dangerous condition requires somebody that is very well versed in the law, as well as knows which experts to hire and how to create a theory of liability that can be a winning strategy. I pride myself in any person that I represent in a case, they come out knowing more about the law and about this process than going in. And my job not only is to fight for them and to advocate a resolution, but I'm also there to teach them about the law so that they know what their rights are in any given situation. As an attorney here, I love the camaraderie of fellow litigation attorneys. You can pop into anybody's office. Everybody's willing to offer their experience, their advice. Egos are checked at the door. I love that. For clients, I love that one of the core values is client communication. So Farah, what it does is everything from the ground up is built towards how can we effectively represent a client. And what Farah does here is it allows its attorneys to specialize. That's why me and several other attorneys have specialized in premises liability. No other firms do that. That's what I love about Farah, because they equip us and allow us to direct our practice to what interests us most. A client that has an accident at a store or a commercial property or on someone else's property, Farah is uniquely positioned to have a premises liability department. It has attorneys like myself that specifically know how to handle a case. No other firms do that. No other firms allow their attorneys to specialize in particular areas. You know, your commercial stores, they have protocols in place that they're preparing for your eventual case that you're going to file against them from day one. And so you need a firm that is designed to combat those types of tactics, those types of arguments, and knows how to get the information, the evidence that we can use to not only preserve for trial, but to effectively advocate for you.